to connect your land to mains power, it'll cost you $90,000.
What? That's not right. Well, it used to be like that, until GridFree came along. For years, you had two options for off-grid solar. You wanted the easy way, that'll just be all your money. On a budget, no worries. You're on your own though. That was it. Shell out or figure it out.
Our goal was to make solar easy and affordable for all Kiwis. Simple solar kits starting at just $4K.
But before we could create the kits, we had to understand exactly what you guys needed.
So here at Cheap As Solar Solutions, we install bespoke solar systems. You're going to need 40 panels and it's going to cost you $80,000.
I could organise the installation myself.
No. We only sell what we install.
I'm just running some lights and a...
I don't think we can help you. I've got to go work on my golf handicap.
Yep. That was our experience, just trying to chuck a couple of solar panels on a little cabin. That led us to GridFree's first mission, to design an off-grid solar kit that comes with everything you need, tells you exactly what it can run, and has the price tag right there on the page. GridFree's second mission is to provide you with a simple product that works well. We've tested everything for compatibility, so there's no guesswork for you. Our third mission, when you call us, you're not getting some silver-tongued salesman, you'll get straight through to our friendly technicians.
We're here to help.
We offer a range of solar kits designed to suit different off-grid lifestyles, and unlike some other places, we have full instruction manuals and ongoing tech support.
Hello, Billy from GridFree speaking.
With thousands of happy customers all over New Zealand, what are you waiting for? Power your freedom with GridFree. Talk to a solar expert today.